Jai Hind friends. Now we are going to start next topic of this module, which is envelope of family of curves. We first understand what is meant by family of curves. Consider the equation x square plus y square equals to a square. We know that this equation gives a circle with center origin and radius a. But here a is a parameter, because if we change values of a, we get different circles centered at origin. Thus, we see that this equation is not a single curve but a family of curves with a as a parameter. Means family of curves is a set of curves whose equations are of the same form but which have different values assigned to one or more parameters in the equations. The equation x square plus y square equal to a square in fact is a one parameter family of curves, because there is only one parameter a. If the parameters are increased, then it will become two parameter family for two parameters, three parameter family for three parameters. That is, this equation x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to 1 is a two parameter family of curves where a and b are parameters. Now, after understanding this concept of family of curves, we are ready to give definition of envelope. Let f x y comma c equals to 0 be a family of curves with parameter c. A curve is called envelope of given family of curves if it touches each member of given family at some point, and secondly, each point of the curve is touched by some member of the family. Thus, if a family of curves with one parameter is there, then a single curve will be called envelope of whole family of curves if this curve touches each member of the given family, and secondly, each point of the single curve is touched by some member of the family. For example, consider this situation. Here f x y c equals to 0 be a family of curves. For parameter c equals to c1, I get this curve. For value c equals to c2, I get another curve. For c equals c3, I get another curve. And in this manner, for different values of c, I obtained different curves shown here. A curve shown here by this. This curve is envelope of this family, because each point of this curve will be touched by some member of the family, which is our second requirement, and this curve will touch each member of the given family at some point. Now, we learn how to find envelope if a single parameter family of a curve is known. Suppose f x y c equals to 0 be the given family of curves with parameter c. Parameter is known, which is c, and a family of curves in terms of that parameter is given. To obtain the envelope of this family of curves, we shall differentiate the equation of family of curves with respect to parameter c, treating other variables as constant. Thus, if I have this relation involving parameter and which is representing our family of curves, then we shall differentiate this relation with respect to parameter, and during differentiation remaining variables x, y, etc. will all be treated as constant. This type of differentiation is also called partial differentiation, which we will study in further units. Now, we will obtain two equations. One equation is already given in terms of parameter, which is the equation of family of curves. Another equation will be obtained by differentiating this equation. We shall eliminate the parameter c from these two equations and we shall find an equation not involving c. The equation so obtained will give our required envelope. Thus, whenever a one parameter family of curves will be given, to find its envelope, we shall first differentiate the relation or given family of curves with respect to parameter. Then parameter will be eliminated from two equations so obtained, and in this manner we will obtain an equation of curve in terms of x and y, and that equation will be the equation of envelope. The procedure will be clear with the help of example. So, I move towards example. Example says, find the envelope of family of circles given by the equation x minus c whole square plus y minus c whole square equals to 1. This x minus c whole square plus y minus c whole square equals to 1 is family of our curves, and because each of these curve is a circle for any value of c, so we have mentioned the family of circles. To find its envelope, we shall apply the procedure discussed in previous slide. The family of curves is here. We shall differentiate this with respect to parameter c, treating x and y as constant. So, I differentiate this family of curves with respect to parameter c. When we shall differentiate with respect to c, this term will give twice of x minus c. This minus c when differentiated will give minus 1. Similarly, second term gives twice of y minus c. This c differentiated will give minus 1. Now, this equation is obtained by differentiating the given equation. We shall try to eliminate c from these two equations, and once the c is eliminated, the equation involving x and y will give our required equation of envelope of this family of curves. So, let me first simplify it so that c, the parameter, can be eliminated. This 2 will cancel out from both sides. This term becomes x minus c. This gives minus plus y minus c, because this minus 1 is also cancelled out from 0. In this manner, I can write 2c equals x plus y, and this 2 when transposed to other side gives x plus y by 2. Now, this value of c is involving only x and y. So, if I substitute this value in original equation, then c will be eliminated, and which is our purpose to get the envelope. So, I substitute this value in equation 1. This c is replaced by its value x plus y by 2 whole square as it is. C is again replaced by its value, and now the equation so obtained will be simplified. This is our equation. When I simplify it, I get twice of x minus y by 2. This gives twice of y minus x minus y by 2 whole square equals 1. This 2 and this x will cancel out. This 2 and this y will cancel out, and I will be having this expression x minus y whole square by 2 plus y minus x whole square by 2 equals 1. Now, we know that x minus y whole square is same as y minus x whole square. So, these two terms can be further simplified to get this twice of x minus y whole square divided by 4, because these two will be converted to 4. Now, it can be written as x minus y whole square equals to, taking square root, I can write x minus y as plus minus 2, and this equation can be written as y equals to x plus minus root 2, which is required equation of our envelope. Let me explain once again what happened. This equation of family of curves was given. C was parameter. We were trying to find envelope of this family of curves. First of all, I differentiated the given family with respect to parameter C, treating remaining variables as constant. Then, simplifying, I obtained the value of C in terms of x and y, because we are trying to eliminate C from these equations. So, the value of C was substituted in this equation, and simplifying the expression, I obtained the value of the required envelope, or equation of required envelope I should say, which is y equals to x plus root 2 or plus minus root 2, which is our required envelope. Now, we verify the result calculated in previous slide with geometrical figures. Here, the given family of curves is x minus c whole square plus y minus c whole square equals to 1. Equation of envelope is obtained as y is equal to x plus minus root 2. Clearly, this equation can be written as y equals x plus root 2 and y equals x minus root 2. Geometrically, what is happening? This equation x minus c whole square plus y minus c whole square equals to 1 represents equation of a circle with center C, C. Because both x and y coordinates of the center are equal, so the centers of the circle or family of circle lie on the line y equals to x. So, these are the circles shown here in blue color, and all of the centers are lying on this line y equals to x. Now, the equations of envelope are obtained as y equal to x plus root 2 and y is equals to x minus root 2. Here, y equals to x plus root 2 is this line, and y equals to x minus root 2 is this line, and we can see that each member of the family of circles is touched by these lines. Also, each point of these lines is touched by some member of the family. Hence, we have verified geometrically also that these equations or this equation in combined form is family of circles given by our equation. Now, we move towards next idea. In this idea, we will find or we will understand the procedure to find the envelope of family of curves when there are two connected parameters. Connected parameter means there are two parameters, but they are connected through some relation. It means there is only one independent parameter, but they will be two in number and connected to each other through some relation. Suppose f x y a comma b equals to 0 be a two parameter family of curves. Here a and b are two parameters in the family of curves. The parameters a and b are connected by the relation g a b equals to 0. There is some relation involving parameters through which they are connected. Now, to find the envelope of such a family of curves, one procedure is that we can find the value of b from this relation and substitute the value of b in the family of curves, and in this manner we will obtain a one parameter family of curves, and whose envelope we have already understood how can we find that. But it can be seen that if two parameters are connected through some relations in a two parameter family, then an alternate method can be used which will make our calculation work relatively simpler. So we will illustrate that method, and before that we first explain the method and then we will take an example to understand the procedure. So suppose f x y a comma b be a two parameter family of curves. The parameters a and b are connected through some relation g a b equals to 0. First of all, I shall differentiate this family of curves with respect to a, only one parameter a, treating b as a function of a. In this manner, we will get the value of db by dA. Now, we will differentiate this connection, this relation involving a and b with respect to a, again treating b as a function of a, and this will give the value of db by dA. The values of db by dA obtained in two procedures or in two steps will be equated, and in this manner we will get a relation involving a, b, x and y. We will make suitable arrangements or adjustments to get the values of a and b. The values of a and b obtained in this manner will be substituted in this relation involving parameters, and it will be the equation of required envelope. That is what we shall do. A two parameter family of curves will be given. A relation involving parameters will also be given. First of all, we shall differentiate the family of curves with respect to a parameter, say a, and then we shall calculate db by dA. We will do the same for the relation involving a and b, and it will also give db by dA. The two values of db and db by dA will be equated. In this manner, we will find the values of a and b by suitable adjustments, and substituting those values in gab equals to 0, or we can use fxyab also, we will get the equation of required envelope. Let me now illustrate the process with the help of example. Example says find the envelope of the family of ellipses x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, where parameters a and b are connected by the relation a square plus b square equals to 1. Here x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 is a given family of ellipses. Here a and b are two parameters, and these two parameters are connected through this relation a square plus b square equals to 1. What we will do? We will find db by dA from this first equation. We will find db by dA from second equation, and then those values will be equated, and then by suitable adjustments we will get the values of a and b. Let me explain how. The given family of curves is this one. Differentiating this equation with respect to parameter a, treating b as a function of a and x and y as constant. What we will get? When this expression will be differentiated with respect to b, this with respect to a, this x is treated as constant. 1 upon a square gives minus 2 upon a cube. This 1 upon b square gives minus 2 upon b cube times db by dA. X and y are treated as constants, and in this manner I will get the value of dB by dA. For this, I transpose this term minus 2x square over a cube towards right hand side. This 2 and this 2 will cancel out. I will obtain this expression, and this will give dB by dA as minus x square b cube over y square a cube. The value of dB by dA is calculated from given relation which was our family of curves. Now we will do the same process for second equation. The second equation was our given relation involving a and b. The relation was a square plus b square equals to 1. We shall again differentiate this relation with respect to a, treating b as a function of a. Differentiating it with respect to b, with respect to a, treating b as a function of a, we get this term will give twice of a, this b square will give 2b db over dA, right hand side is constant, so its differentiation will give 0. Now, this relation can be written in this manner. This 2a is transposed towards right hand side, and this gives dB by dA as minus a by b. dB by dA is calculated from given relation. dB by dA was also calculated from the equation of family of curves, which we have named as equation 2. This equation obtained now is named as equation 4. Now, we shall equate these two values of dB by dA. Equating these two values of dB by dA, I obtain minus x square b cube upon y square a cube as minus a by b. This relation can further be simplified to give x square b raised to the power 4 equals y square a raised to the power 4. It can be written as x square a4 equals to y square b4. Now, we have obtained a more relation involving x, y, a and b. We want to calculate the values of a and b now in terms of x and y only, because finding the values of a and b in terms of each other will not help. To find the values of a and b in terms of x and y, one traditional way can be that I find the value of b from this relation. That value of b will be in terms of a. We are already having a relation involving a and b, and substituting those values, substituting that value of b in this relation, we can calculate a, and then we can also get b. This procedure can be followed, but to make our procedure simpler or easier, to reduce our calculation work, we are not going to do that procedure. We will apply a tricky approach, and with the help of that trick, we will calculate the values of a and b in relatively simpler manner. For this, I recall that this was our relation, which was our actually family of given curves. In view of this relation, x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, I write this relation x square over a to the power 4 equals y square over b to the power 4 in this manner. X square over a square is occurring here, which is our first term in this equation. Right hand side is written as y square over b square, which is our second term in this relation. I have deliberately written it in this form so that each term in numerator is matching with the terms here. Now, by the property of ratio and proportion, if a by b is equals to c by d, then each of these will be equal to a plus c over b plus d. That is, if two fractions are equal and numerators are added, denominators are also added, then result will again be equal to each of these fractions. It can be verified, it is not difficult, so I am not going to explain it more. Applying this property of ratio and proportion in this step, I can write it x square by a square plus y square by b square over a square plus b square. Numerators are added to give this, denominators are also added to give this. Now, this x square over a square plus y square over b square. Its value is given as 1 because our family of curves is having this equation. So, this term can be written as x square over a square equals to y square over b square equals to 1 by 1, because x square over a square plus y square over b square equals to 1, and this a square plus b square is also 1. Now, this can be written after simplification as this. Now, if I equate first and third, I will get the value of a. If I equate second and third, I will get the value of b. So, equating first and third fractions, I will obtain x square over a4 equals to 1. It means a4 will be x square. This gives a square as plus minus x. Now, similarly, equating second and third fractions, I will get y square over b4 equals to 1. This gives b4 equals y square, and this gives b square equals plus minus y. The value of a square is calculated, value of b square is calculated, and these values will be substituted in this relation, which was given relation among parameters. Substituting those values in this relation, I obtain a square will be replaced by plus minus x, b square will be replaced by plus minus y. I obtain this relation. This plus minus x is nothing but mod of x. This plus minus y is nothing but mod of y. So, I get this equation mod x plus mod y, which is our equation of required envelope. Let me sum up once again. This family of curves was given involving two parameters a and b. This was a relation among parameters a and b. I wanted to find the values, I wanted to find the envelope of these family of curves. First of all, I started with given family of curves, differentiated it to get value of dB by dA. Then I started with given relation. Again I calculated the value of dB by dA. Those values of dB by dA were equated. Equating, I obtained a relation involving xy and AB. Then I made suitable adjustments so that each term in numerator is matching with the terms in the given family of curves, and then applying the properties of ratio and proportions, I obtained the values of a in terms of x and b also in terms of y. Substituting those values in this relation, I calculated the equation of envelope as this equation. Now, we verify the result by geometrical interpretation, geometrical diagram of the curves. This is our given family of curves. The equation of envelope is mod x plus mod y equals to 1. If I see geometrically, then this family of curves x square by a square plus y square by b square are ellipses, and for different values of a and b, we will get different ellipses. This equation mod x plus mod y equals to 1 is equation of envelope. It can be written as x plus y equals to plus minus 1, and also x minus y as plus minus 1. Each of these equations, x plus y equals to 1, x plus y equals to minus 1, x minus y equals to 1, and x minus y equal to minus 1, is equation of straight lines. Thus, family of these ellipses are these straight lines. Family of envelopes of these ellipses are these straight lines. It can be seen through this figure also. For different values of a and b, we obtained these ellipses drawn here in blue color. This line x plus y equals to 1 is drawn here. Line x plus y equals to minus 1 will be this line. X minus y equals to 1 and x minus y equal to minus 1 will be these two lines in similar manner. And we can see that each of these lines is touching the given members of family, that is ellipses, and also each point of these lines is touched by some member of our family, which is our requirement for envelope. Now, one question arises that whether envelope exists for each family of curve or not. The answer is no. There can be family of curves who have no envelope. A classical example of such a family of curves is x square plus y square equal to c square, family of circles where c is parameters. We can see that this x square plus y square equal to c square is circle with center at origin and radius c, and for different values of c we are getting these concentric circles. Because there can be no single curve which touch each of these circles, so this family of curves, this family of circles has no envelope. If we work analytically, then what will happen? Differentiating it with respect to parameter, I will get c equals to 0. Substituting this value of c in this, we will get merely x equal to 0, y equal to 0, which is nothing but singular point of given family of curves. Thus, the procedure discussed by us gives combined equation of singular point and envelope both, and the envelope part which we have already discussed is given. If there is no envelope, then we will get only singular point, and it is happening in the case of this family of circles. Thus, in this video we have discussed what is envelope, then we have seen what is the procedure to find envelope of family of curves when there is one parameter. Then we have also seen that if there are two parameters connected through some relation, then how can we use a tricky approach to find envelope of such a family. Then we have illustrated that there can be family of curves when no envelope is there. With this we shall stop now, and in next video we will start with curve tracing. Thank you.